Okay guys, on April 5, 2024, now you can see that this is my plant of red dragon flower. Botanically it is called as Huernia schneideriana. So now you can see that we have already taken some cuttings for some sort of propagation in the past, and now we will take some more cuttings in order to show you that how you can propagate it from these stem cuttings. So we have taken our first cutting, and this is our second cutting, and this is our third cutting. Now you can see that we have taken 3 of our cuttings, and we need to play all of these cuttings in the shades in order to heal out. So where there is some sort of wound, where there is some sort of wound, we have to place it in the shade so that it will callus over and then get healed. Now on April 8, 2024, now we have our cuttings, these 3 cuttings, and now you can see that all of them are calloused over and properly healed. And we also have taken media. Media consists of 50% simple garden soil and 50% simple sand in the 50-50% proportion. Now water it out, and you can see that how good the drainage of the pot is. Means that whenever you will pour the water, it must come out from the bottom within 1 minute. So we can say that the media is very good, because the media we do not use to store water is always good for succulents. So here now we will put it in the soil. In the media we will just insert it out with the help of forceps like this. Or let make a hole in the media. Now this is the proper way to plant them out. And usually the succulent success rate is 100%. If they are kept in shade in the summer, then we can say that the success rate is like up to 100%. But if they are being exposed to sharp sun, the results can be a bit low. We have taken our third cutting, and now we will put it in the media. Now we have to wait for certain days. Now I'm showing you via zoom in. You can see properly that how we can place all these stem cuttings in the media. On June 5, 2024, as I am doing the dubbing, so you will not see any sort of change in my voice. Now you can see that these are our results. One of the cutting has lost. I lost. The cutting do not used to die, but because there are a lot of results in my result section, like I have put a lot of results of plants in my result section, so sometimes some plants used to lost. Now take it out, and now you can see that how good the root ball is. Although within 2 months, within 2 months we can't say that the roots are very much long, but still it's good. And we also can see a lot of progress on shooting side and rooting side. So now you can see it properly. Now you got the concept that how you can grow your red dragon flower plant from stem cuttings. So hopefully you got the concept.